Okay, guys, gonna do a little personal thoughts on the Ruger American 9mm compact pistol. And before we get started, like always, a safety check. Show that there's no round in the chamber. Okay, the way I'm gonna do this video here, this will probably be the last maybe gun video for the year. I'll be kind of switching around on something else on another subject that's not gun related and stuff. So just thought I'll let you know about that. So far, I have put 200 rounds fired through the gun. There has been no issues on the gun. Ammunition that I use will start there on the top left side, and that is the 124 grain CCI Blazer Brass. And below that is the 124 grain Armscor precision ammunition. And below that is the Geco 9mm ammunition, and that is 124 grain as well. Also, too, is the Wolf Performance ammunition. That is 115 grain ammunition. And then here towards the right is the Remington Golden Bullets. Those are 147 grain. And also the Winchester Train and Defend 147 grain ammunition. I tested that all out. There was no issues whatsoever with it, and I think that's pretty good like that. I did have some other 9mm ammunition, but I just do because of time and everything, and I just didn't want to do that. But I just tested these 6 brands and no issues whatsoever with it, so I think that's good. So if you got some of this ammunition in your possession or at your local gun store and stuff, I think you really shouldn't have any problems with it. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and just move some stuff out of the way. We'll go ahead and do some specifications here. This is from the Ruger site here. And the model number of this gun is 8635, of course, 9mm Luger caliber. And here we go, some specifications here. Capacity of this is 17 rounds. They do make 10 and 12 round magazines. Stainless steel, barrel length of it's 3.55 inches. Of course, just kind of show you here real quick. The weight of the gun is 28.7 ounces. Of course, it has Novak low mount carrying 3-dot sights. And here's some other information above there. Suggested retail price is $579. And what the gun offers here, just some little information there for you to look at. Okay, when you buy this, depending where you live at and stuff, if you're in a kind of gun-free state and everything, you do get a 12 round magazine, and then you do get a 17 round magazine, and then you get this kind of like a sleeve that goes over that. And I'm going to show you this here. And this one, you do see a little bit of a gap right there. So there's a little bit of play right there, as you can see there. But when shooting and stuff, I had no problems being pinched or anything like that. And so I just thought I'd let you know about that. And then the 12 round magazine right here, not too much of a play in there. Again, that did not pinch me in any way there. Just thought I'd let you know about that. Okay, set these to the side here. And then I'll turn this around here. You do get the factory Ruger American case. Also, too, you got the owner's manual, cable lock. You get 2 different grips right here that you can change out, different sizes about that. Also, too, you can change the base plate of the magazine. If you don't care for that little finger extension, you can go ahead and swap that out. This here is a hex key wrench, and that is to remove the grip here. Okay, we'll go ahead and close that back up. And I'll let you look at the gun here. It does have like the Glock trigger style and everything. This weight, I think my opinion of this gun weighs as much as the Glock G26 pistol and everything. So, but like I said, you can change these grip panels here. It's ambidextrous here on the side here for your slide release and mag release button. So you lefties should kind of enjoy that option. Also to picnic rail right here. So if you want to put a laser, whatever you want to put on there. Trigger pull this gun here. We're going to go ahead and pull the trigger here just to show you. Okay, then the reset of it. You go about halfway and everything. Now on the Ruger site, it really didn't mention what the trigger pull was. I don't have a scale to measure that and stuff, so you may, well, I'll have to find out later and stuff. And then also the serrations of the slide here. Of course, like I said, it's 3-dot sights. Okay, take the gun apart real easy. Just go ahead and cock it back, drop down the lever right here, pull back, go forward. That one you do not have to pull the trigger, and go ahead and show you here the slide of it, what it looks inside here internally. Okay, take the gun apart, take a 3-coil pin, take the guide rod out, your barrel, and to show you the barrel here of the gun. Okay, and okay. Also show you inside here. Workmanship on it's not bad at all and everything. So just let you look at that. Of course, put it back together. Drop your barrel back in here. Put the guide rod back in. Okay, and then go ahead and pull it back, lift that, lock it back up, flip that. There you go, folks. Again, let me show you that trigger pull again on the gun here. And there's the reset of it. So the trigger on it has not been bad at all. I think it's something doable and everything. But like I said, I've fired 200 rounds. So far, I kind of seem to enjoy this gun. We'll see as time goes on and everything, and I'll try out some different ammunition, especially for ammunition for self-defense. So that's really going to be about it, guys. I just want to show you that. Again, the Ruger American compact 9mm pistol. And don't forget, these mags, additional magazines are available, 17 rounders, 12 rounders, and as well as 10 rounders. Don't forget, these only work on the Ruger American pistols. It does not work on the Ruger SR9 pistols. So you got to remember that. Additional magazines, like I said, they're available online. You can check there online or at your local gun store and see if they have them. And so I just want to tell you about that, because I know some people thought the SR9 magazines would work on these. They do not, and that's something why some people maybe are hesitant about it or not. But I think this, to me, is much better than an SR9 pistol, but that's a matter of opinion and everything. So really, that's about it, guys. And this is Tommy Gun 7.62 signing off. You guys have a nice day. Take care.